Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have your flight info, now add it. Open Google Calendar on the device where you want reminders and sign into the correct account. Tap or click the Create button and choose Event. This lets you add full details. Enter the flight number and airline in the title so you can search later. Set the event date to departure day and use exact departure time. Once done, make sure the calendar selected is the one you monitor for travel. Now focus on precision. Enter airline and flight number in the title and put origin arrow destination in location for quick glance. Set both start and end times and confirm the correct time zone so alerts land on schedule. Time zones matter for international flights. Open the description to paste booking reference, terminal gate notes, baggage rules, and check-in deadlines. Attach your itinerary PDF or screenshot so you have documents off. Finish by saving the event and immediately verify notifications and sync across your devices. If you prefer automatic import, turn on Gmail event suggestions and confirm travel reservations are recognized in Gmail settings. Once enabled, Google will auto-add bookings. Make sure shared calendars and invited contacts can view the event. If reminders don't appear or times shift, check the event time zone versus your device clock, then resave. Finally, edit or delete duplicates and test by creating a short test event to confirm notification behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.